case you guys hadn't seen, I'm going to be driving in a few weeks, and I had these shirts made as a surprise for Dad, and I've made them available to buy. So there is a link at the top of the description of this video. Make sure to go check them out and help us out. These are some pretty cool shirts, and if you want to go back and see Dad's reaction to me surprising him with them, click the link up here, I think. Maybe up here. But go check it out. Good morning from day 2 of the Funny Car Chaos World Finals. Right now, I am working on filling the fresh air bottle for the car. And, car's put back together. It's about ready to go. We've got like an hour and a half until we run, so let's go out and win this thing today, why don't we? On today's episode of Terry Haddock Racing, we have Megan hanging off the golf cart holding onto a drum of nitro. It is time to get this car warmed up because we are starting to run it out of time until first round. So, we gotta hurry.
Ready, son?
We're up here. Let's do this. Dad's burnouts are legendary. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That's awesome. Let's go. I'm headed down to try and find them. I had to ride the scooter up to film some of my customer videos. So I'm going to meet them as quick as I can. Go faster, scooter. Oh wait, the speed limit's 10. We don't do that here. How about that, Mr. Terry?
You have a thingy for the air bottle?
No. He does.
The tires,
I know.
and it was moving around so much and vibrating, I couldn't tell where the finish line was. He got out on me and I reeled him back in. I just didn't know if we had enough room. Good job, ladies.
That was a fun ride. I can tell.
That's awesome. We so rarely actually win. This is a place where we can be competitive with that car, and if we had the big car, we would be able to run for the championship. But today we are in it. We are in the semifinals. I'm running back to get ready. I'm not sure what the teardown is going to look like, how far we're going to go, but let's go. Let's go, bananas, baby! First round win. First round win at Texas Motor Parts. Woo! Never give up. Walking the pups real quick before we go back up for second round. We've got to warm up the car, but that was the easiest turnaround ever with racing because basically there was no turnaround. I had to pack the parachutes, but other than that, it was really easy. We're gonna go up. We run Dustin Bradford, the White American Dream Challenger, the second round. Let's do this. Well, that sucks. But hey, we got to the semifinals. Okay, so, as I've mentioned a couple of times, I'm going to be starting driving the nostalgia car in a few weeks on Monday in Vegas. And Dad's starting to kind of teach me and get me used to it. So, I've got Cam's fire suit and his helmet, and I'm going to kind of sit in the car and kind of start to get used to what it feels like, because it's not going to be like putting regular seatbelts on or being in a regular car. Jesus Christ, Cameron has a small head.
climb out once he finds the insert. What I want you to see is it's a little harder once you're all set.
Yeah.
Good job. Does that help you? What this is, the armor strand, you keep your arms inside the cage. You got upside down and you bump your head, you're flopping, that keeps your arms in there. Now, pull on the steering wheel. You know why you do that? Because the steering wheel can't fall off, but it's a disconnect, and some people think it's important to take the steering wheel off and then put it back on, and you don't know how they're doing it. You're not going to have that. So get in the habit of pulling the steering wheel every time you're in there. Okay, now, when you reach the fuel shut off, don't pull it, just you reach the brake. See, now it looks to me like your arms are long like mine, so we're going to need to ease this up or make the where it starts applying the brake sooner. Pull on the brake. So when your brake applies that far back, it starts to make you go, oh, am I going to be able to get enough brake to go room for your arm to go? So I'll adjust that for you. Okay? I'm used to it, so I don't let it bother me. I'm like, it'll stop. You reach your reverser. Okay? But it's a little different once you belt it in, isn't it? You can't look out and look around. Okay? So it changes, so that's why we're doing this. Tomorrow we're going to do this and tow you around with the body down. So you can start seeing what you can and can't see. And then we're going to pull you up to the beams, let the lights go in, and then we'll pull you to the stage. You get to see the difference of how far you got to roll with. Just little things like that, so when you go to drive, you'll know what to expect. What do you think?
Meatball's outside hanging out with us. He loves his mama. That was really cool. Dad walked me through everything that I'm going to end up doing on the run, and I'm just so excited for Vegas. There's 23 days until Vegas. Meatball's over there hopping up on the buggy again. There's 23 days until until I get to drive in Vegas, which I am so excited about. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm not counting it down or anything. I totally don't know like the hours and minutes and seconds. But yeah, I can't wait. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Hi. Meatball loves the golf cart. It is his favorite. Oh, yes. You're so cute. You are so cute. Right next door to this Dairy Queen is the Logan Steakhouse. That's where we're going for dinner. Except I'm making a quick stop at Dairy Queen to get me some ice cream before dinner. Responsibility, am I right? Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. Responsibility. Okay. So now I'm just a random idiot standing out in the parking lot. But today was a lot of fun. We got to go around, which was really awesome. We got to go to dinner with the guys and have a nice night. And we got to check out the end of the concert and all of the bubbles. But tomorrow we've got the rodeo with the bull riding and the Brett Young and Wade Bowen concerts. And Wade Bowen might be coming by and warming this car up, which would be really cool. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.